Hi, GC News. Mima Bawumia Akwaba had the latest and hot news and Kwana Mede Bremo. Nase wunya subscribe to the channel na say over subscribe. Udi aware say over click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload no. So once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no mind nothing. Share my offer for suna wonye bi na wo hwe. Afriyie yenhwe ensema beto ye prof enti ensema ekoso
Ghana for let's reason together ewa mo de yen reason together mo amote Ghana obi anwa o ya akwala ena na Dubai na do dan Akufo Addo ena me ha me boyfriend Otumfuo o endorse na do edema mo meboa ena mo kwato aba na mo yi na do mo yi na do Dubai Wababe disaster. Aye. Nanado ababe disaster. Aye. Wababe say omanu kojo. Eye ho endorsement, eye Otumfuo endorsement. Oba otu no fo. Eka kire no, wo de wape osika dada, ompe sika na wonyini na nasefo Otumfuo se wonim no kura dada se wo ye lawyer. Sa Nanado ti we na onye lawyer bia. Onye lawyer yakwa hwehwe ye ni document bi certificate bi say oye lawyer eno kra ma fa ntum hofo e say make ne ba jankroma wetimi ama 25 million 700 Dubai interchange no $25 million wetimi ama ne bi ena konfa noche teaching hospital aban hospital on be renovate mass antiman was a menye. And so Otumfuo ya yo and endorse if anything nanado. Say ya samba. Do endorse ma first one a disaster. And as I say, what samba I endorse napo. Any Bawumia de amamo. And so no mina membeka de asem. Use your brain, use your gumption, use your brain. Me man meka say. And as I say, the Majima Nesi Bonnie, the first endorsement of Otumfuo endorsement, Ekosi saying, and a second one, we so crady. What true no for? What two no for? And Kwesi, I knew 2 minutes. And I do Okasa man and Yanwaka, and to we move on to Mufo. And I will read any partner to a moko, and I Otumfuo, and I chama would to my disrespect to Otumfuo, and I chama would to me, and I chama would to my no Otumfuo than I see. Eh? Chama won to me was on what in the empire and power in the empire because Otumfuo than I say and I want also to ye your friend is saying the back napo just say na your friend is saying boy we if anything Chama won to me our post into any now more fun to move for a word to the wise is enough no for to move. Me mo be me kan kira wo say. No for mo be fan some be wo wani and say say ya language. Endorsement first one a disaster. The second one in a be papa na. It took to aba no be to aba. So be kwa to aba na kwa na to na wo ka say e na Mahama ka say your friend is saying Mahama e ka say asantima we bibia ma asantima ya enya ne fe enya omo fe na pa akudin kwasasem na ka na paso man ka na paso na so Mahama kan yi kaboni bi enim ebia ne de Mahama ya ma asantima nyina oto justify de na pa kan ezi boni be na ko ka Mahama mpo ka sa boni be ne wom ye na tete wa Santa region yenim ye ne mo anete ye ne mo ane ko school ye ne mo ane ye bibia ya wale mo ye ne musuban mo wale ye dia respect mo de mayen you know dey no two ways about it but so ba na wo won me no e ma me tell so asantifo we asanti ni na ya asanti na fofo ne e bia other tribe na so mo ko fa de wo foma won ka se wo pebio wo de ba ko be ma no de ba ko ama we two wo se wo ma me half e che no wanya say one na mo nya half this is your people. And so because I want to do Mahama then when you mass answer mine, we say 1 year she Mampo water project or no one a year, most say 1 year she. It's 1 year then, mamma. What will justify or be the legend at him? na se yakwa kan asama wo se na Mahama kwa sisi le Mahama kan ye no wo boa kedetia ina na wo kedetia bebi esi kedetia market no na esi o tade se me man de hye no mu de etwa ende yesi Dubai yesi so kama ni na mo se anya mo fe ese wonya de na mamu bi eti the way to the wises Otumfuo endorsement first one anya adwuma second one is the bad disaster to koto aba na de obeto why
oye opposition leader my policies their policies no awoni Akufo Addo de buy no ano kire ye ba bia ba bedu asmenka branam no nye debate what debate obisi Bawumia will lose the elections and blame Mahama for not debating him. Well, 40% of a near my fire has say emi enye ska de ball mine ho brano. What lose yama Togo? Come and explain to us, or you will not come and explain to us. He will not come for a debate. He is running away. I mean, how can Mahama stand on a platform with a stupid person? How? Ghana for Kwabena Agyapong say Mahama best to obeko salo. Okoyede. How?
Our policies lie. And that is where we should go. We should give the country an opportunity to listen to us. But if he chooses not to debate, I will continue to sell my policies to the people of Ghana, and you will take the decision. I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But
the more Kasano, minim say Bawumia on Napo. I'm not too sure they can take 35% the Akufi. I'm not too sure. No, the more Kasano, next Nkrofo bufu. Yeah, the more Kasano, Nkrofo a bufu. And you see, sometimes Ghanaians forgive me. Look at this stupidity. Oh, and Kola Owusu no more Jimino. Oman and Yinibeyan Penifo. And Bawumia has demonstrated it. The level of stupidity of Bawumia is too high. His level of stupidity is too high. The level of stupidity, no, I was wrong. It's too high. And even the tape, no. Okache John Mahama says John Mahama pe debater Uncle Sangbano. I don't want to play it, but absolutely the ordinary Ghanaian walking on the street realize that you are too stupid. And as to how Ghana got here, I can't tell. No, it's sad. It's so sad. From year 2000 to 2008, when the person picked the dollar, it was 1-to-1. Or the bar 4. What about free $4? Now we are doing $16 Ghana cedis. Sorry, 16 Ghana cedis per $1. And then I heard say more than 16. I don't know, but I'm between a check from only free 4 cedis to 16. Then you are telling the person, come and let us do debate, because you see the problem is that well, Bawumia is a joker, as he rightly said. Bibi Obekabian, I'm joking. Obejawa Sresre Jimmy, and John Mahama cannot joke. John Mahama cannot stand on a big platform and be joking, dancing, hopping from one place to another, nodding his head, laughing. No, John Mahama cannot do that. And Ghanaians will never forgive John Mahama if he decides to meddle in that gutter with Bawumia. Gutter. Explain to us, gutter for omono efra eniema importers omofa niema ebedru port etia 22 new taxes woni Akufo Addo Bawumia na the taxes number. Tell them Ekwaya befa so dia boa wo mo. Was benka just a John Mahama about debate. Look at this foolishness. Oh, guys, who did the attempt? What is the meaning of who did the attempt? You are foolish. Enkrofo a what the dollar abedu samre now Ghana ni na ni sika ebi a yamfa no say 100,000 Ghana 100,000 Ghana that time no ebi a is worth yamfa no say $50,000 today say the party pay $50,000 ohia times 2 or times 3 ansa no atimi anya $50,000 e dey akofa niema from taxation to production after you free taxation taxation explain to the people was a no just a Mishia John Mahama debate answer explain to the Ghanaian people banks ne gu ye ya mo begu no efra musika any unemployment rate ya edru 14%. 2016 obaye now unemployment rate was around 7%. Now you are doing 14%. Every Kwame Nkrumah person now epepe me say John Mahama free Agyaso no that I think said a friend say employment rate was around 7-8% or so. I mean, you can check for me. And now you are doing 14% and over. Come and explain to the people. Was it just a Mishia John Mahama debate and Sansana may explain? What kind of stupidness is this? What kind of foolishness is this? And in fact, I bet you Ghana for you say John Mahama will stoop so low and go and debate Bawumia. For what? Debating him on what? On what? What? You took my money that you are going to do PFG. Today, the ordinary Ghanaian tomatoes, miensa say, or turn 50 cedis, 20 cedis. Bayre, Baku say 50 cedis. These are Enyema Yedriano, our crops are Yedriano Ghana. Betrem the entire Abasa was just a minute debate. Manager Mama debate. A debate. What kind of debate? The whole world. Food inflation. Ghana and Tosso 6. Betrem the entire Yadru Haseya was just a minute Mama debate. Your mama or to Abama. And Crawford to Abama explanation why we are here. You were touted as the economic messiah. I will keep on selling my policies. What's Ghana Henina? Unim say Obusa NPP ni asem one. Say Bawumia ni main policy ni say ya onima de kro. Digitalization. Ubusa say digitalization ni eya dan ya o say ni okura phone ye call eba. Say call mobile phone call Bawumia na de buy. Just look at this stupidity. Oh, kwasi assembly to be who kroma o sorry no anya abotra benya BP. Yatin kwasi assembly pa. List to say tax eaton. Now as we speak, Kwame, electricity bills. Because we just decided to steal all the monies, then we are forced to go to IMF. Then the IMF conditionalities, this electricity bills and blah 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 are a part of us. Explain to us why we are here. Was it just a Obana debate? Many Mahama debate. Tony Mahama debate. Now you won't explain to us why we are here. You won't explain to us why your friends say dollar, Ghana cedi. You see the currency no aya basano. You explain to us. Uno bia ni asembiaka. You explain. You know be so. Just say ya your mama ne wa nye anya wonka. Wonka. Ada ya just say your mama no be jira ho. Na onu ye debate ansana wa ka kire. You went to Kumasi to adore your running mate. Just one statement. And the attempt. And you know, no be a course because more cousin Papa Biao, Muria and Muria than as a phone car. Importers air passimety or more ton air passimety. Now, as we are speaking, companies are folding up. Plastic companies, manufacturers, companies are folding up. Ebi kwa Abidjan. Monday no, Kwame, Ghana eluzi eye enyema e fire ports. Ema yenye sikano. Ghana eluzi 40% ama Togo. Ghana eluzi 40% edi ama Togo. Wahe. Nasibu yesenka uchadi vetuo. Ghana losing 40% edi ama Togo. Eniema fire airport ema yenye sikano. Ghana losing for oye vice president. Just say when ya consultant Jimmy bi am no ka kire say okwa bontia behave to say when am no asankwa na wosa. Ube hunu wo omo ayi omo boys no George Kwati ni sa boys no ube hunu wo omo page bia no hey Bawumia can dance. Hey Bawumia dancing to Kisito. Bawumia dancing to the and there. And a man for keka hwe or the Jimmy say ya no wini o wini en Bawumia wini there will be no Ghana. Kenya kra the best one sha no ni Akufo Addo no kra no so no ya chimini a adwene kakra woni trim no kra na da say no ni napo achambi ni napo apo any three Dabio me ya na nkrofo ka sa asem no a 8 years yatia o mimi ngura Akufo Addo fie nkopa aduane ni da mani achi enye ho ne atro constitution obi ada ne dem awada. So if you sit down say enanu me no obi kasa bobi mu ahwe ni ya obese awini o na me no awini a me no mienu gire me no mienu nya tofu ope me no mienu ye tofu ope to beto si aye ye yini miensa 20 cedis me no nya to ne pe ebi kura me menya ska to bi wu nya ska nto obetete ayi tea tomatoes no na betete afra nsuo saade aye nkwai enche busumi nsia no anya gbirigbiri edi why if you sit down me found no amo kasa te se niema ko wronga ye mu bi nkwa na ko wrong maye ebi kura me ye better than you, trust me. Ebi kura me ye better far better than you. Into the Tróuble one policy statement asankwa na wosa when him says say and Ariane na yati say media for a omo di na po achi no omo no omo kasa say omo nsai na omo abeye stories e dey ascend omo yes so omo ko fa Jimini o kasa agi so omo trance etie ni yie yes no omo asone so no omo dey aye story no omo dey ascend media houses no and this no omo media for no di omo achi eto aso be 2-3 weeks aseme be sinye de be pia bonten enye yi omo media for na sai ko obi apa won check from Napo campaign team no Kwabena Agyapong said boy no wo Oman FM no omo mo nyina asai come and let us debate about what and the commercial driver auto fuel say then you drew baby I drew
yo it for me cause just do so and our heaven so we now subscribe ya let's just say what more than na subscribe na I like to give you no that feel so wa share ma ofoforo so any bi na wa hwe also betimi akire wa kin Afriyie and so we na ho e wo comment box ni obeti me ka in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.